在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, I'm Joseph Lin, and it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. Here comes Misa with a song called Love Recipe. And it's a song with dark humor as she describes how two lovers can have a love and hate relationship. And perhaps you can relate to that too. Let's take a listen to Love Recipe.
表一台词上，加一些字样，猜一条讲一给听。人一个屁股木正一讲啥嘛些强强，读到落去个为亮亮样。面前3000江，摆弄每条눈要法度好，奔赴顿，切记别拉走跳摇咪就跳，甲摆把不去慢慢闻。đừng nhìn nhìn nhã nhã vì tôi yêu theo cảm giác lo nghĩ yên cả cơn nhiều phong từ theo chít chít chát chát mai nghìn hăm giam vu mùa trong ngà thiên phá nắng khóc khóc cái kén theo trong nghèo nghèo cái cầm một phút đâu chú cái xin lặng đồn đến nay sự nay nhìn toàn sinh nhắm dài kín tóc biếng在上山中。
这首 Misa 的 Love Recipe 是以 swing 的慵懒风格搭配 saxophone 啊、guitar 啊，还有爵士鼓，加上它低沉的声音和黑色幽默的歌词来表达恋人之间的爱恨交织。你知道有时候两个人在一起会爱得你侬我侬，但有的时候爱到入骨也会恨之入骨那为什么叫 Love Recipe？Recipe 就是食谱的意思嘛，所以他在歌词里面呢有讲到说什么这边放一大匙，那边再加一小匙，然后呢再切几片辣椒啊，还有酱油啊丢进去啊。把对方煮成一道酸甜苦辣的美食，然后吃掉，真的是太可爱了。我们继续听 Love Recipe。Alright, swinging to the music of Misa with some sax, guitar, and jazz drums. I love it, man. I hope you enjoyed it. Another Hakka song on ICRT, and I hope to see you next time. I'm Joseph Lin.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.